The University of Derby was my first choice because everything was more to hand and a bit more specialised to nursing as well, where a lot of other places are more generic. We've got practical skills, we've got the practical suites here, obviously to do with clinical skills. It's been resourceful, I think that's one thing I underestimated with this course. It was learning to be resourceful and you're not alone. This has always been on the card since I left school. I was gutted I'd never pursued it when I did leave school. I have 2 children. They love the fact I'm a nurse. My son thinks I'm a Wonder Woman. My mum thinks I'm mad and I've taken on too much. Probably have, but I enjoy it. My tutors have really helped me. I've been to them a few times just to have a chat. They do prepare you mentally for what people are going to go through, the stress-wise, what you can do to manage it, the other teams that you can bring in. And they do value the fact that I am juggling. The first 4 days I did placement, I lost 4 patients, 1 a day, and I was just crying every day. You're allowed to have emotions, you just got to bring it in and think, right, well, as long as we've done everything we can do, there's nothing else. Just one of them. If you've got that passion and you love the idea of it and you think, I really do fancy that, don't think children or working life can stop you. It can work round. It's like anything, it's hard work and dedication and a lot of juggling, but don't ever think you can't do it.